Car and van key services specialize in providing high-quality replacement keys for a wide variety of car and van models. We use the latest technology to ensure that your replacement keys are not only durable but also precisely cut to match your vehicle's ignition and doors. Our services are affordable and transparent, with no hidden fees or charges. We provide upfront pricing and offer free quotes, so you know exactly what you're paying for before we start working on your vehicle. For your convenience, we offer a free mobile service, and can come to you at your home or work location. All our replacement keys are coded and programmed to your vehicle's specific security system, ensuring that only your key can start your car or van. Car and van key services take pride in delivering exceptional customer service. We believe in building long-lasting relationships with our clients and guarantee that you'll be satisfied with our services. To get a free no-obligation quote, please visit www.carandvankeyservices.com.